Hey there, welcome to AI Tools Academic Channel. Today I will show you how to install Docker, which is a foundation for many AI tools. First, let's go to your browser and type the Docker and search. Click on this Docker website. It will bring you to the download page. Click on download. And then you will see different version. Choose the version which is suitable for you. So mine is Mike, so I choose this one. In a few seconds, you will see this in your download folder. Once it's finished, click to go to your download folder. Then you can see your Docker image here, and right click to extract. He will ask you to drag this to application. So let's do that. Now your Docker is about to be ready to be used. Example, once you go to that search, Spotlight search, and then you have Docker, enter. So it's the first time, so I'll ask you a few things. So for sure you want to open. Then we'll accept. I would generally use the recommend setting and then click finish. And then it will also ask you a password to install the software. Let me type myself, keyword. Allow. You can skip this to later for your setup. If I choose skip, in fact, your Docker is already installed. To verify the Docker is successfully installed, you can go to your terminal and open a new window and then type Docker, enter, and then you will see it has the instruction of the Docker. I will skip like too much detail. In next video on set up the open web UI, I'll show you how to use this Docker. And now you have successfully installed your Docker. Meanwhile, if you find this video is helpful, please like it and share your comments and suggestions below. Do not forget to subscribe if you want more useful AI tools soon. Thank you.